Homemade sausage patties. Quick and easy dinner you can make with pork mince. There's no chopping in this recipe. How good's that? That's juicy. All right, pork. Then whole bunch of spices. So onion, garlic, dried thyme. Little trick for you. Crush the thyme up with your fingers because then you'll extract more flavor. The secret ingredient, sage powder, salt, pepper. All right, you've got to get in there with your hands. There's just no other way to do this. So mix it up real good until the spices are mixed through. I'm going to show you guys a trick for how I portion evenly. So here's my trick. I use this for meatballs as well. So really handy to portion the mixture out before you start forming meatballs, or in this case, patties. Then roll, press into sausage patty. All right, now a cool little trick for you. Just dent the patty so when it cooks, it actually prevents it from doming. Let's cook. A little bit of olive oil in with our patties. That's a good sound. So you see those dents that we've got there? What that does is it anticipates the doming that normally happens. So you'll see that these patties, they won't dome. They'll actually rise a little bit and end up being flat. We only want about 2 minutes on each side. They're not very thick. They're only about 1 centimetre thick, so they'll cook in a couple of minutes. Definitely don't want to overcook them. Nobody likes a dry pork patty. Yesterday I overcooked them and somebody complained. Just press them down really lightly to make sure that the base cooks nice and evenly. So you see how the dents disappeared and it's flat now? Perfect, that's what we want. Just another 2 minutes and we're done. We'll cook the next batch. Yum. There we go, let's plate up. I mean, you could get fancy with the dipping sauce, but to be honest, good old ketchup is all you need. Maybe I should style it up a little bit with some parsley. Did I get any on there or did I completely miss? There you go, sausage patties. Eating time. Well, hello. Look who shows up when it's ready for eating. Unbelievable. Oh God. That's juicy. Oh my. I don't know if you can have this dosa. Oh, I suppose there's no garlic and onion in it. There's just spices. Some Fedosa.